Welcome to Digital Teaching. This video will show you how to reduce the file size of your video using HandBrake. The first step is to paste this link into your browser and hit Download HandBrake. You'll see that it automatically starts downloading. Once downloaded, you can open the file. Say Open. And then you follow the prompts and install. Select Finish. Okay, so we're going to either open a single file or drop a bunch of files, but I'm just going to drop one that we're going to reduce. Here it is. As you can see, the file size here is 8.36 megabytes. Now it's not very large, but we're still going to make it slightly smaller. So let's start with our settings. Make sure that MP4 is selected here and click Web Optimized. Align is already clicked, and from here on we can go to the next step. Next, you click on Presets, and here under General you can select, I always select this one. You can, for example, select one of the other settings. This is just under General. You can select devices, Android, Apple, Chrome, Amazon, whatever you think your students will be using. And under Web, again, if you want to send it via Gmail, you can change it here. I would just select 720p. Okay. The next step is to decide where you want to save your video. If you look here, Save As, this is the title, and then you click Browse, and it takes you to, in this case, videos, but we want to save it under video 1. Here, I add in Reduced and click Save. Now let's quickly run through all the other options. Dimensions, leave it as is. Filters, we don't have filters. The video, make sure that this H.264 is selected. You can select this one or this one, but just keep it where it is. At quality, no, it's not necessary to move this about. Audio, we don't fiddle with that. Subtitles, this specific video does not have subtitles. Its subtitles are set up in YouTube, and I don't have chapters. Okay, I think all the settings have been selected, so now we can click on Start Encode. You see, this is the progress. It takes some time, so you have options. If you have many videos and you want to, for example, go to bed or go do something else, you can tell it to shut down your computer, to put your computer to sleep or hibernate or log system, or just merely quit HandBrake. I'm going to set it to do nothing because it shouldn't take that long. The video is quite small already. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. It does nothing because we told it to do nothing. And here you can see it. This was the original, and this is the compressed version. This is just a way to ensure that your students can actually view it even if they don't have a lot of data, or if they're somewhat limited, or it takes forever, the signal isn't strong enough, or whatever happens. This will help your students. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more videos.